I kind of like it.
Wow.
This is enough for you.
What'd you get?
There's a present in here.
Shh. Austin still wants to sleep.
What is that?
What is it?
Underwear?
Underwear?
You brought your underwear? What is that?
I don't know.
That's what it is. Briefs. Star Wars briefs.
Star Wars?
Star Wars. You know what briefs are?
No. Oh, another game for my DS.
You must have knew you got a
Santa knew you
DS.
got a DS.
He saw me. Wow, I sure do get a
Here,
lot
Carson,
of
let me
presents.
see what this is.
I get a lot of presents. It was under my stocking.
I think as you get older, your presents get lesser.
Candy canes, just what I put on my list.
Whatever's on the table.
Candy canes, I put a candy cane on my list.
Did you?
Oh, yeah.
One thing on my list. Ooh, I bet I know what this is. Just what I always wanted.
Wow, the joy.
We said no Legos.
A second thing on my list.
Carson, that one's discontinued.
How did Santa find that one?
Remember?
What's this? And it is. It's the Coco Dinosaur. Another thing on my list. I got 3 things that I have on my list.
Wow. You didn't have the briefs on your list, huh?
What's this? And it is.
What's that?
The game that I always wanted. And finally, what is this?
What is
My
that?
own calendar.
Your own calendar? What's on it?
Cat.
No
My favorite
way.
animal.
Fantastic. Wow.
Now I'm going to open